Alright, crew. I don't know if they're gonna be a start a new video or not, but hey man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K. Get your butt to 10K the quick way and listen. Now see what we got going on, man. In the lovely city. You know what I'm saying? We outside with it. Ooh, state patrol. Oh, state patrol right there. This nigga tripping. Folks is tripping. We are not with you. We are not with cuz. Damn. Did y'all see that, bro? Patrol right there. Cuz. My bad, car. Cool, we gone. We gone, bone. What folk tripping? Folk tripping. Ooh. I just hear brakes. Well, y'all can see, man, we got the big chicken hawk, what he called it, man, Papa Q. You feel me? Right in front of me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see 12 stop, bro. Them ain't doing burnout. Look, tripping, bro. You doing a burnout downtown? Good, tripping, man. You can do a little downshift, you know, something like that. All that extra. Come on, man. Maybe you doing that, man. You know better. My brakes, I think they do that when they get hot. I think it's them bad ones. I don't know why. It shouldn't be. I don't be hitting my brake that hard. But yeah, car crews, y'all can see that escalated very quickly. It escalated very quickly, man. But yeah, man. As y'all can see, we in the city with it. We're in the city with it, man. A little POV, late night drive, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see it at 1 o'clock. Car crew, man, like I was saying in the other video, though, I said it might be a separate video, man. Y'all just bear with me. I just got a lot of clips, man. Y'all just enjoy these vlogs, man, these POVs. But car crew, what I was finna say though, y'all let me know if y'all want to see more, you know what I'm saying, more POVs or more videos in the city, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man? Y'all can see, man, we got outside. But yeah, man, y'all just let me know though down below, man, if y'all want to see more POVs or just video content in the city, man. Let me know what y'all think about that, man. boy Nate behind me. I don't know what they got going on. This is some groupies. We got some groupies. Groupies, guys. Say hello to the groupies. Is that a Mustang? Two of them. Y'all can see me, we couldn't know it. But all that, man. I'll put Olivia in sport, man. I don't think for, y'all let me know how y'all like Olivia in the city making that noise. Y'all can see, man. This man acting crazy. He acting crazy. Look at this guy. Yeah, man. Let's see what we got going on, man. Silver. What's up? Hey, man.